Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best water bottle lids is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any hydration enthusiast, ensuring your favorite bottle remains leak-proof and functional. And today we're diving deep into the world of replacement lids to help you find the perfect fit that not only seals your drink securely but also enhances your drinking experience. Whether you're hitting the gym, the trails, or just navigating your daily commute, because a great lid can make all the difference in preventing spills and maintaining the integrity of your beverage. Number 5. EIPOSAU Auto Flip Lid for Wide Mouth Bottles. Experience the convenience of one-handed drinking with our innovative lid. It opens with a simple push of a button, allowing for a high liquid flow whenever you need it. Keep your spout clean from dust with the protective flip-down cover. The secure button lock prevents accidental openings, ensuring a leak-proof experience. Quench your thirst quickly thanks to the wide mouthpiece that maximizes water flow. The integrated rotating loop makes it easy to carry your bottle wherever your adventures take you. This lid is specifically designed to fit Hydro Flask wide mouth bottles and similar brands. Please ensure your bottle has a wide mouth opening for a perfect fit. Crafted from superior, impact-resistant plastic, it's built to last and is BPA-free for your peace of mind. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. What we like? Experience ultimate convenience with this one-handed, push-button lid. Its dust-proof cover and secure button lock ensure a clean and leak-free experience. If you're always on the go and need quick, effortless hydration without fumbling, this is the lid for you. What people say? The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. Easy to clean and durable material. The spout design allows for one-handed drinking. Number 4. FLORAPELL Straw Lid for Yeti Rambler. This lid is designed to fit a wide range of Yeti Rambler bottles, from 12 ounces to 64 ounces. It also works seamlessly with retic bottles, offering a secure fit and easy sipping without removing the cap. Choose from multiple colors to match your style, and enjoy the comfortable, flexible handle for easy carrying. Crafted from durable, non-toxic, and BPA-free plastic, this lid is safe for everyday use and built to last. It features a high-flow mouthpiece for smooth, leak-proof drinking. The smooth surface makes cleaning a breeze, providing a reliable replacement for your daily hydration needs. Designed for ultimate convenience, this lid screws on tightly and features a wide opening. The flexible handle makes carrying comfortable, while the smooth straw allows for effortless sipping. Simply flip and sip, no need to remove the cap. Its splash-proof design is perfect for everyone, anywhere. Each package comes with 2 long straws and a straw cleaner brush for easy maintenance. You can even trim the straws to customize the length for a perfect fit. Everything you need is included for a clean and tailored hydration experience. Built for long-lasting performance, this lid is dishwasher safe and supports safe, daily hydration. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Please note, this lid is intended for bottles, not tumblers or growlers. It features a lockable lid for worry-free carrying and a high-flow mouthpiece. This design ensures fast, satisfying drinks, perfect for workouts or outdoor adventures. What we like? Enjoy versatile hydration with this lid designed for a wide range of popular bottle brands. It comes complete with a straw for easy sipping and a comfortable, flexible handle for carrying. If you're looking for a complete straw lid solution that fits multiple bottles and makes carrying a breeze, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. Easy to clean and durable material. The spout design allows for easy one-handed drinking. Number 3. DBIW Replacement Chug Lid for Wide Mouth Bottles. Stay hydrated with ease. This lid is designed for maximum flow, allowing for simple one-handed drinking. Its superior gasket ensures a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can confidently carry it anywhere. This premium replacement lid is designed to fit your wide mouth bottles perfectly. It's compatible with popular brands like Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermo Flask. Please check your bottle model before purchasing for a guaranteed fit. Enjoy safe and mess-free hydration. Simply twist the cap to open for a smooth sip and close it tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, providing a steady stream without spills. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, it's built for your health and longevity. The wide mouth design allows for quick sips and easy cleaning. For added convenience, it's top rack dishwasher safe. As a proud US brand, we are committed to high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our upgraded spout opens with just a half turn for quick, one-handed drinking. It aligns seamlessly with your bottle for a sleek, unified look, making it a perfect replacement. Enhance your bottle with our best-selling Chug lid, designed for fast hydration and everyday durability. It offers high-performance convenience with a spill-proof design, making it the ultimate accessory for active lifestyles. What we like? Achieve effortless hydration with a lid that guarantees a 100% leak-proof seal and easy, one-handed drinking. Its superior gasket design and twist-open Chug cap offer reliability and convenience. If you prioritize a secure, spill-free experience and a comfortable grip for carrying, this lid is ideal for your daily adventures. What people say? The lids fit perfectly on my Hydro Flask bottles, and they don't leak at all. I love the straw lid option, it makes drinking on the go so much easier. The replacement lids are durable and have held up well to daily use. Number 2. Iron Flask Flex Straw Lid. Introducing the Iron Flask Flex Straw Lid, designed for your wide-mouth insulated sports water bottles. It's a simple, BPA-free solution for easy hydration on the go. This straw lid is specifically designed to fit all narrow and standard mouth bottles from Iron Flask. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. Your package includes everything you need: 2 straw lids, for straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. Stay prepared and keep your bottle clean. It's easy to carry and drink from, offering a functional design. You can use it as a straw lid or a sports lid without the straw. Please note, it's not suitable for hot liquids. Crafted from quality, BPA-free materials, both the lid and straws ensure safe and durable use. Hydrate with confidence. Never worry about spills again. Our lids are designed to stay firmly secure on your favorite water bottle, preventing any leaks. What we like? This package offers incredible value with 2 lids and accessories, allowing you to switch between a straw lid and a sports lid. It's made from BPA-free materials for safe drinking. If you appreciate versatility and want options for different drinking styles without compromising on quality or safety, this set is perfect for you. What people say? The lid fits perfectly on my bottle. It is easy to clean and doesn't leak. The spout design allows for easy drinking. Number 1. Hydro 2 Go Auto Flip Lid for Wide Mouth Bottles. These lids are specifically designed for wide-mouth water bottles, ensuring a perfect fit for various sizes. Please check the compatibility chart and measure your bottle's opening before purchasing. Enjoy the convenience of one-handed operation. Simply press the button to open your bottle, keeping your other hand free for your activities. The flip-down cover protects the spout from dust, and the inlaid gasket ensures a leak-proof seal. Stay hydrated without worrying about spills or dirt. Made from high-quality, BPA-free, and impact-resistant plastic, these lids are safe for everyone. They are also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Experience maximum water flow with the wide mouthpiece and easy grip design. Personalize your bottle with the included colorful anti-slip strips and carrying strap. Please note that these lids are designed for wide-mouth bottles with an external screw thread and a 2.28 opening diameter. They are not compatible with narrow or standard mouth bottles. What we like? Simplify your hydration with this lid that opens with a single button press, keeping your other hand free. It features a dustproof cover and a silicone gasket for leak-proof security. If you value one-handed convenience, a clean drinking spout, and a touch of personal style with customizable color accents, this lid is a fantastic upgrade. What people say? The lids fit perfectly and do not leak. Easy to clean and durable. The spout design allows for easy drinking without spilling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.